Here we have today Mrs. Shashi Rastogi with us. Her family members were disturbed by the fact that she was snoring quite loudly in the night and creating disturbance for everybody, including the fact that she could not sleep properly herself and was suffering from frequent disturbances at night and getting up. So she approached us and we decided to make an anti-snoring device for her. Here we can see this anti-snoring device. This contains two parts. One is a clear and another one is a slight bluish, connected together by a rigid connector. And here we are seating it. As you can see, the mandibular goes in and seats perfectly. And now बंद करिए इस पे जरा सा. And here the maxillary fits in. Now as you can see, it brings the mandible a bit forward and मुख खोलिए जरा सा. Still allowing. बंद कर लीजिए वापस. You can see the nice and tight fitting of the appliance. कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं हो रही, कहीं चुप तो नहीं रहा. So here we are giving the appliance. She is supposed to wear it at night, and we'll have a feedback say after 2 weeks.